Natural colorings are derived from sources such as plants, minerals, and insects, while artificial colorings are chemically synthesized compounds. These additives are widely used in processed foods, including candies, snacks, beverages, baked goods, and medications, to make products visually appealing and attractive to consumers. Natural food colorings are typically extracted from plants such as beets, turmeric, and spirulina, minerals like iron oxide, or insects such as cochineal. They are often perceived as safer alternatives to artificial colorings due to their origin from natural sources. Natural colorings can vary in stability and shade, but are generally considered more acceptable by health-conscious consumers. On the other hand, artificial food colorings are synthetic compounds produced through chemical processes. They are favored for their vibrant and consistent colors, which are often more intense than those achievable with natural sources. Common artificial colorings include Red 40 Allura Red AC, Yellow 5 Tartrazine, Yellow 6 Sunset Yellow FCF, Blue 1 Brilliant Blue FCF, Blue 2 Indigo Carmine, and Green 3 Fast Green FCF. These additives undergo rigorous testing for safety, but have raised concerns regarding their long-term health effects. Artificial food colorings have been implicated in behavioral changes, particularly in children. Studies have suggested that certain dyes may exacerbate hyperactivity, impulsivity, and inattention in children with ADHD or other behavioral disorders. The mechanisms behind these effects are not fully understood, but are thought to involve neurotransmitter imbalances and alterations in brain function triggered by the dyes. Research published in journals like The Lancet has highlighted significant concerns. For instance, a study in 2007 linked mixtures of artificial food colorings and the preservative sodium benzoate to increased hyperactivity in children. This finding prompted regulatory responses in some regions, including warning labels on products containing these additives. Children are particularly vulnerable to the effects of artificial food colorings due to their developing brains and bodies. Sensitivity to additives varies among individuals, but those with ADHD or other neurodevelopmental disorders may be more susceptible to behavioral changes associated with food coloring. The ingestion of dyes like Yellow 5 and Red 40 has been correlated with increased restlessness, irritability, and difficulty in concentration among affected children. Some studies have shown that eliminating artificial colorings from children's diets can lead to improvements in behavior and attention span. For example, a meta-analysis published in the journal Pediatrics in 2012 found significant behavioral improvements in children following an elimination diet free of artificial colorings and other additives. Beyond behavioral impacts, artificial food colorings may affect the entire body as well. Concerns have been raised about potential carcinogenicity and other adverse health effects. While direct causation of diseases by food colorings remains debated, certain dyes have shown genotoxic effects in animal studies, suggesting a possible risk of DNA damage and cancer development with prolonged exposure. Red 3 erythrocene is linked to thyroid tumors in animal studies, prompting restrictions in some regions. And Yellow 6, also called Sunset Yellow FCF, is associated with kidney and adrenal gland tumors in animal studies, although human evidence is inconclusive. These findings underscore the importance of ongoing research and regulatory scrutiny to ensure the safety of food additives. The association between artificial food colorings and specific diseases remains controversial. Allergic reactions such as skin rashes and respiratory symptoms have been reported in sensitive individuals. Additionally, concerns about behavioral disorders, hyperactivity, and potential carcinogenic effects have prompted regulatory actions in various countries. Artificial food colorings can also cause diseases like cancer in humans as well as animals. Animal studies and mechanistic research suggest plausible risks. For instance, some artificial colorings have been shown to induce oxidative stress and inflammation in cells, which are processes implicated in chronic diseases like cancer. The potential carcinogenicity of artificial food colorings has been a subject of debate and concern. While direct causal links between food colorings and cancer in humans have not been definitively established, several studies have raised alarms about their safety. Red 3 erythrocene. This dye has been banned from cosmetics but is still used in foods in some countries. Studies have linked Red 3 to thyroid tumors, raising concerns about its potential carcinogenic effects. Yellow 6 Sunset Yellow FCF. Studies have suggested a link between yellow 6 and tumors in the adrenal glands and kidneys. Human studies have been less conclusive, but regulatory agencies continue to monitor its safety. The International Agency for Research on Cancer, IARC, part of the World Health Organization, WHO, has classified some food colorings as possible or potential carcinogens based on certain studies and other data. However, more research is needed to understand the long-term effects of these additives on human health. Now, to avoid artificial food colorings, you can choose products made with natural colorings derived from plants, fruits, and vegetables. These alternatives offer vibrant hues and are generally recognized as safe. Common natural colorings include beet juice, which provides a bright red color used in juices, yogurts, and desserts. Turmeric, which imparts a golden yellow hue commonly found in curries, mustard, and sauces. Spirulina, which offers a blue-green shade used in candies, beverages, and health supplements. Paprika, which adds a reddish tint to snacks, meats, and sauces. And chlorophyll, which creates a natural green color in foods and dietary supplements. Natural colorings not only enhance the visual appeal of foods, but also provide potential health benefits due to their antioxidant properties and nutrient content. Regulatory agencies worldwide oversee the use of food additives, including colorings, to ensure consumer safety. Approaches to regulating artificial food colorings vary by country and region. In the United States, the Food and Drug Administration, FDA, regulates food additives, including coloring. While the FDA has approved several artificial colorings for use in foods, including those mentioned in the video, it requires thorough safety assessments before granting approval. There will be a long process in which every single detail will be revealed about artificial food colorings. If the results come out to be concerning, the use will be completely banned. However, concerns about long-term health effects have prompted calls for stricter regulations and more transparent labeling practices. Also, the European Food Safety Authority, FSA, evaluates the safety of food additives in the European Union. Following the 2007 Lancet study linking artificial food colorings to hyperactivity in children, the EU mandated warning labels on products containing certain dyes. Additionally, the EU has banned or restricted several artificial colorings based on health risk assessments. Other countries, such as Australia, New Zealand, and Canada, have also implemented regulations on artificial food colorings. These regulations may include warning labels, restrictions on use, or outright bans of specific additives deemed unsafe or of questionable benefit. The widespread use of artificial food colorings in processed foods raises important health considerations. While regulatory agencies continue to evaluate their safety, you can make informed choices by prioritizing natural alternatives and advocating for transparent labeling practices. Minimizing exposure to artificial food colorings, particularly for children and individuals with sensitivities, can help mitigate potential health risks associated with these additives. You should opt for natural colorings if you're a keen lover of color in the food. Stay away from colored foods or drinks to stay healthy. Also, try to make people aware around you as well. By promoting greater awareness and supporting regulatory efforts, we can contribute to a safer and healthier food environment for everyone. If you have enjoyed watching today's video, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos.